Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You begin by readying both devices because mirroring needs a common network and an active receiver. Power the TV and switch to its screen mirroring or casting input so it advertises availability. On your phone or laptop, make sure Wi-Fi is on and that you're on the same network as the TV. This prevents discovery failures. Once done, open the device's cast or screen mirror control, often in quick settings or display preferences, and look for the TV name to appear. Now you connect. You tap the TV name shown in your device's cast list, and the pairing starts. If the TV prompts to accept the connection or shows a PIN, approve it to complete the handshake. This secures the session. Make sure you configure resolution or orientation in the device's display settings if text or cropping looks off, because different TVs handle scaling differently. Once connected, confirm audio is routed to the TV and test video playback to verify smooth streaming. To finish, stop mirroring from your device or switch the TV input. That cleanly releases resources and prevents accidental sharing. If the TV vanishes or stutters, first restart the TV and your device, then reconnect to the same Wi-Fi. This clears network conflicts. If problems persist, update the TV firmware and your device's OS or display drivers, because many issues stem from outdated software. One quick tip: move devices closer to the router to reduce packet loss and improve latency.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.